Hello everyone, welcome to EduCare 247. This is the second lecture of important MCQ series and this is NABARD special series. In our second lecture, we are discussing MCQs based on India State of Forest Report 2019. This report is mentioned in NABARD syllabus and this is very important for upcoming NABARD Grade A examination. If you are preparing for NABARD Grade A examination 2020, this MCQ course will boost your preparation. In this course, we are covering current affairs, budget, economic survey, reports and indices, government scheme, Kurukshetra magazine and important static portion. MCQ will be covered with the explanation and detailed explanation will be there. The course fees is 999. You can visit our website educare247.com and subscribe to this course. If you want to subscribe, you can call on this number as well. The first question on India State of Forest Report 2019 is, which of the following is not covered under India State of Forest Report 2019? The answer is coral cover. So D is the answer. The forest report provides information on forest cover, tree cover, mangrove cover, growing stock inside and outside the forest areas, carbon stock in India's forest, forest types and biodiversity, and forest fire. So this is very important. The forest report provides information on forest fire as well. Special thematic information on forest cover such as hill, tribal districts, northeastern region has also been given separately in the report. So these are the important points which has been covered in the report. You can remember all the important points. The next question is, India State of Forest Report published at the gap of how many years? The answer is 2 years. It has been released by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and it is a biennial report. This report is published by Forest Survey of India. Forest Survey of India publishes the report and who releases the report? Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So this distinction should be remembered. And this is biennial report. It was started in 1987 and this year it is the 16th report. So this all factor are very important. When this report was started, what is the number of this year report, and at the gap of how many years the report published. All these facts are very important for upcoming examination. The next question is, India State of Forest Report 2019 is which report of ISFR series? So we have just discussed it is the 16th report. The 2019 report is the 16th report of India State of Forest Report. So this is very important. This report was started in 1987. So these facts can be remembered and it is published by Forest Survey of India. The next question is, area wise, which of the following state has largest forest cover in India? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh has the largest forest cover, followed by Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Maharashtra. You can remember the top 5 states. Question can be asked, which is the second largest forest cover state in India? So that will be Arunachal Pradesh. Similarly, the third largest state can be asked. So you must remember top 5 states. Let's see some important facts about the 2019 report. This year, the total forest cover has increased by 5,188 square kilometer compared to 2017. And in this, the forest cover has increased by 3,976 square kilometer and the tree cover has been increased by 1,212 square kilometer. So these are very important facts. If you'll see the state-wise increase, Karnataka has increased the highest and Karnataka has increased 1,025 square kilometer, followed by Andhra Pradesh and after that Kerala. So these figures is also very important. Which of the state has increased highest number of forest cover or the largest number of forest cover compared to 2017? So answer is Karnataka. Remember all these facts. Question can be framed from anywhere. So you need to remember these important facts. The next question is, according to ISFR 2019, which of the following state has increased highest forest cover compared to 2017 assessment? We have just discussed Karnataka is the answer. So Karnataka has increased the highest forest cover compared to 2017, and it has increased by 1025 square kilometer. After that, Andhra Pradesh has increased, and after that, Kerala has increased. The total forest cover increased is 5100, and out of that, forest cover is 3976 and tree cover is 1212 square kilometer. So these are the important figures. You can remember these figures. The next question is, according to ISFR 2019, which of the following state has topped in increase in mangrove cover compared to 2017? The answer is Gujarat. And what is mangrove? The mangrove ecosystems are unique and rich in biodiversity, and they provide numerous ecological services. So this is also very important. And total mangrove cover in India is 4975 square kilometer. And if you will see the total increase compared to 2017, 54 square kilometer mangrove has been increased compared to 2017. And Gujarat has topped in the increment, and it has increased by 37 square kilometer, and then Maharashtra 16 square kilometer, and then Odisha 8 square kilometer. So this is the number. You can remember all the important point. One important figure is the total bamboo bearing area in India is 16 million hectare, and compared to 2017 it has been increased by 0.32 million hectares. So these figures are also very important. You can remember these important points. The next question is, which of the following state has highest percentage of forest cover compared to their total area? The answer is Mizoram. Mizoram has the highest percentage of forest cover compared to area, and it has forest area on 85% of the land. And second is Arunachal Pradesh, which has approx 80% of forest cover land, and then Meghalaya, which has approx 76% forest cover land. And area wise, Madhya Pradesh is the highest, we have just discussed, then Arunachal Pradesh, then Chhattisgarh, then Odisha, and then Maharashtra. So you can remember these top 5 states, and percentage wise you can remember these top 3 states. So these are important facts, but you can remember, and you must remember because it will be asked in the examination. The next question is, India's forest cover excluding tree cover accounts for what percentage of total geographical area? The answer is 21.67%. So 21.67% area is the forest cover area, and tree cover is not included in this. So this is also very important. And if we'll see the area wise, the 7,12,249 square kilometer area has the forest cover, and top 5 state which has increased in terms of forest cover is Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Jammu and Kashmir, and Himachal Pradesh. And some state has decreased in the forest cover as well. So you can remember these important points. The next question is, according to ISFR 2019, which of the following state has largest area of wetlands within recorded forest area in the country? The answer is Gujarat. The total number of wetland located within the recorded forest area is 8.13%, and amongst the state, Gujarat has the largest area of wetlands within the recorded forest area, followed by the West Bengal. So first place is taken by Gujarat, and second is West Bengal. You must remember that they are talking about the wetlands within the recorded forest area. So this is also very important. The next question is, approximately what percentage of northeastern region has forest cover compared to total geographical area? The answer is 65%. The total forest cover in northeastern region is 1,70,541 square kilometer, which is the 65% of the total geographical area of northeast. So this is very important. If we will see in northeastern region, in most of the states, the forest cover has decreased because lots of developmental work is going on there, except Assam and Tripura, because in these states there are less development work compared to Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Manipur. So this is the figure for northeastern region, and this is very important. You can remember this important point. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment and subscribe to EduCare 247. Thank you and happy learning.